man is here. We are going to the lot. Steve's property to. Ano, oh. Ang labog nang tuyo naman ito na. Tanom na labog. And then pinya, we got pineapple seedlings and bananas and ano ganit siya. Ay na! The update of my black tomato. Ay, ay pagatubo ang and there's more black tomato. Ay! Nang! May nagtubo ron daw beets guro dya. Huh? I'm so happy. These are red beets, I guess. I don't know, or I'm not sure what it is. There's another black tomato. And what else? Honey! Why? Or are may giya pa ko katubo. I'm not sure what. Huh? And then I have my let's see, cucumber. See, cucumber, galonan. And there's another black tomato. Yeah, I'm so excited for my garden. And guys, and we are going to the property, plant more. Guys, oh, our baras has gone. Almost half of it. Right here. Ang bato do mo Japon? See, the baras ko no is gone. But the bato still here. Patani. Mulas mata patani. Is very juicy. Ako ko namin kay kapatani. Ging ang patani mo din naman. Diba? The wheel of the wind may karaoke. Udtong adlaw karaoke. These are lima beans. Layo rin iba na. Okay, ano po dyan na? Kusipag na sa kalbo. Patanian. Mango float overload, oh. Mango pa more. Tanok kami sa
Can I get up early in the morning and come home late at night?
Go! Tinanok naman sa ating bad-bad. Ay, hindi pa hilaw lang.
Bad-bad, hindi.
Pay kami sa usawan ka rin. Disgrasya, kaya nga ano ang motor. Nangayak yan na yan. Videographer ko dyan. Ay, vlog ka wala na.
Walang vlog ka dyan.
Hi, vlogs. Kaya ko yung sa iguasa may nag-ano. Ay, pinakwat na raw.
Ara?
Diyan pa.
Ara ang nagpiyang-piyang?
Ate, nagbangon ta na.
Picturean pa lang daw.
Picture mo?
Video ko.
Picture mo.
Piyang-piyang ko.
May face na.
Accident. Traffic. Oo, hindi na ito ang motor ay.
Gyara no, gyara.
Dia katulad sa auto, dia to na darato.
Indara ka turo. Patsyaran. Ayun guys, manglaswa kami ni Manang Duman. Patani! Ah. Neighbor naman managawa. Ayan guys, ang dami dito. Ang iban ko diya, pes po, hindi dya tulahon. Pareho. Kita niya. Kung gurang doon, amutan na rin ng ano, ang gaitom. Pay kung tubo pa. Kung tubo pa, amuran ang puti. Ang harvest of the day na naman guys. O patani, okra, and hantak. Balapon. What is it? You done?
Yeah. No, we haven't filled it.
My goal is 100 calories and I still have 3 minutes left. 98, 99. Yep.
No, he puts it on the computer.
Reset our with the
Computer.
computer and he charged. He said 1,200 and I pulled up, give him 1,000 and said this is okay.
Yeah, because he charged me a foreigner fee. Locals come in here, he go charge half of that.
1,200
He probably charged
Pesos.
you 500 pesos.
for just resetting the sensor. Like what's that?
Computers.
Yeah, the computer. That's what happened when you have automatic car.
That's what happens when you marry a foreigner and you live in the Philippines.
Looks like their stamp is right here. Or OB, whatever that is. This might be the the bathroom. This is another bathroom. I mean, bedroom. And this might be the master bedroom. And the bathroom. There's another bedroom right there, I guess. One bedroom. A bedroom. A bedroom. A bedroom. And here's the view. Fish pond.